Open it.
I don't want to.
What, are you scared?
No, I'm not scared. I'm not scared.
Well, open it then.
You open it then.
I don't want to open it then.
I don't want to open it then. Anyway, it's addressed to the Sarge, look. Probably something to do with his gardening.
Gardening? What are you talking about, you tit? Sarge not into doing gardening?
Of course he is! The man's garden's a riot of colour in the summertime. What about those hollyhocks he bought in last week? They're in full bloom. Their perfume hung in the air for days.
What, you... seeds and things?
Seeds and things, yes.
Yeah.
Petunias, lobelia, geraniums.
Antirrhinums, French marigolds, dahlias.
Oh, yes, yes.
What in there?
There's nobody here but us chickens.
Get him here.
Seeds?
Yeah.
I never ordered any seeds. Oh, yes, wait a minute. This must be the stuff I ordered from head office in connection with that trouble we've been having.
Trouble? What? You mean the spate of burglaries that have been occurring in the building of late? A series of thefts for which as yet there is no known suspect.
Yes, that trouble.
What's in them then?
Ah, now that I can't tell you, lad. All I do know is I sent head office a chitty. What?
So,
Nothing, it's all right.
Fine.
Well, I sent in this chitty, you see. And head office said to me...
Sorry. No, Sarge, what did you send to head office? Right.
I told you. I sent him a chitty.
God, we have some fun in this job, don't we?
Anyway, I sent in this chitty.
Yes, we're fed up with that bit now. Come on, open the box. I bet it's something useless anyway.
Yeah, when did they ever send us anything that was any good?
Oh, well, we can but hope, lads. We can but hope.
Hey!
Leaving lizards!
You're gonna be the Sarge's dog, aren't you? Yes, you are.
Just a small point, Sarge. Why does it have to be your dog? Why, for example, why can't it be Carter's dog?
Yeah, or Bell's dog. Why can't it be Bell's dog?
Exactly. Why can't it be Carter's dog?
All right. I suggest we swap. Say, every 16 minutes. Fair enough?
All right, yeah, but I want the helmet first. I've always wanted my own helmet.
Fair enough, but come on now, let's get on patrol. And keep an eye out for that burglar.
Burglar! He wouldn't mess with us, would he?
Yeah.
He wouldn't stand a chance. Look at us. We're unstoppable.
You'll have to excuse the lads. They don't get much excitement.
What happened? What happened?
You fainted.
I did not faint. I did not. I was practising falling over.
And me. I was practising that as well.
do then?
What are we going to do? What are we going to do?
What are we gonna do? What do you think we're gonna do?
What we're going to do, Sarge?
Well, to my way of thinking, in a case like this, there's only one thing you can do.
Yeah! What? Sarge, what is the only one thing we can do?
Question him.
Question him! Question him! Yeah! Bagsy, me first, me first. Right, what shall I ask him?
Well, ask him something relating to the matter in hand.
I will. I will ask him something relating to the matter in hand. Oh, right.
Well, go on then.
Right. Who starred in the 1955 film Cast a Dark Shadow?
Dirk Bogarde.
Well, thank you very much. You wouldn't give me 5 minutes to think up a decent question. I feel a right prat now.
Come here. You haven't a clue, lad. You were supposed to ask him something relating to the matter in hand. Let me have a go.
All right, bonehead, see if you can do any better.
Oh, I will. I will do better. Yes. Let's see now. Ah, yes. Where does the hermit crab lay its eggs?
You what?
Don't play your time, lad. Where does the hermit crab lay his eggs?
Hermit crab lays its eggs.
Yeah?
The hermit crab, right, lays its eggs in a duffel bag.
Is that a fact? I never knew that.
Pathetic. Come here. You're supposed to ask him something related to the matter in hand. I'll have a go. Right, I know. What's your favourite position for sexual intercourse?
I'm not answering that.
Come on! What is it?
My knees.
What?
Knees bent.
What?
Knees bent.
What?
Knees bloody bent!
Pervert.
I look, I've had enough. Call the police, will ya?
We haven't finished yet. We haven't finished our questioning, not by a long chalk. We've got all night. We don't stop work till 7 in the morning.
Please! No more! I can't take it anymore! Please call the police!
Start.
Comb,
Yeah,
matchbox,
yeah,
camera,
yeah.
packet of condoms,
Yes.
sort of plastic thing.
Sort of plastic thing. Sort of plastic thing. What, you would not be referring to a credit card by any chance, would you?
Yeah, that's it, credit card.
No, because there's no credit card. See? That'll teach you to know about Dirk Bogarde.
Please, call the police.
Here, Sarge. Take a photo of me and Carter with him. Carter, come on.
Oh, all right.
All right.
Go on. Come here.
What's the diggy bird?
Please, my wrists are bleeding.
What say we take a break, eh, lads?
My wrists, they're bleeding.
Yeah, well, I suppose we could untie him for a bit, eh?
Well, as long as he doesn't get up to anything.
No, he's not going to mess with us now, is he? I mean, look at us, eh? We're no fools.
I'm a long way from home.
Yeah.
Where do you live, then?
Where do I live? I sleep rough, don't I? Haven't got a home. Well, I haven't got no one.
Und wo sind dein Mutter und Vater?
Hab keine Mutter und Vater.
Kein Zuhause, kein Mutter und Vater.
Ich bin Weiser.
Ein Waisenkind.
Yeah, an orphan. My mum died when I was 7. I never knew my father.
What? Didn't you know anything about him?
Well, he left me this. Sort of like a love token. Whoever's got the other half of that photo, he's my dad.
Who is this supposed to be, then?
Cochise.
Are you deaf? He's talking about Cochise, leader of the Chiriquois Apaches.
Oh, yeah, and what do you know about it?
Dad.
Tell us about it.
No, I don't want to. It's past. It's history. Oh, all right then. I was 10 miles from Sausalito when I pulled into the Bates Motel. A roadside joint just like any other roadside joint you'd ever seen. Hell, I'd seen a million of them. I ordered orange juice, eggs, bacon, coffee, lots of coffee. I sat looking through the window at the Negro kid pumping gasoline into the cars opposite. And I got to thinking about me, my life, how I hadn't amounted to much. Hell, I was never going to amount to much. Then, all that didn't matter anymore because suddenly I saw her. She had a sulky look to her and her lips stuck out in a way that said, "Kiss me." We were together, what, 5, 6 hours? That's a lifetime when it's right. And this was right. Two lonely people drowning in each other's arms. When the sun came up, I got in the Ford and headed south with the hood down. She was watching me from the window of her apartment. I didn't look back. I guess I never did make it to Sausalito.
What'd you do then?
I went down the laundrette.
And that's all you've got to remind you of your dear mother, eh?
She did leave me a couple of other things. She left me this. She said whoever's got the propeller to that, well, he's my dad.
What, some sort of glider, is it?
That's no glider. That's a...
It's a Sopwith camel.
Dad?
Look, it was a long time ago. You know, I haven't been youth hosteling for ages.
Tell us about it.
No, I don't want to. It's past. It's history. All right, then. I was about 5 miles from Dorking. I'd just finished the last of my Kendal mint cake when I saw her. She was wearing a pink cagoule. She'd been having a bit of trouble with a two-man pup tent. So, you know, I offered to help her out. Lent her a couple of guy ropes. Anyway, we got to talking and found that we had a lot in common. You know. Our sleeping bags had the same tog rate and stuff like that. I was just about to show her the Ordnance Survey sign for a post office. We looked into each other's eyes. One thing led to another. Kept banging my head on a primer. Guess I never did make it to Dorking.
Well, I hope you two are proud of yourselves. Look at you. Leaving this poor orphan lad to fend for himself. You should be ashamed of yourself, so you should.
Sir?
That's just one page from a complete set of Encyclopedia Britannicas. Look, it was a long time ago. A very special lady gave me that page. Whoever's got the rest of that set...
Hang on a minute.
And as I look down that long dirt road, I can just about make out Consuela behind the wheel of her mobile library. I guess she never did make it to Ponta Ruccia. And that was the last I ever saw of your dear mother. Don't worry, son. You're coming home with me.
No, hang on. Oi, which dad do you want to go with?
Yeah.
I don't mind, as long as I'm with my dad.
Look, he's my son. He's coming with me.
All right,
Thank you.
Look, all right. We probably are his fathers.
What do you mean, probably?
Well, we don't know, do we? I mean, he could have nicked those things. No, I think we should make sure before we absolutely commit ourselves.
And how are we going to do that?
I don't... Test him.
Test him.
Test him. Ask him something that only our son would know. Right, you got... Ding dong, you start. Sarge, come on.
Yeah. Testing, yeah. Testing.
What's the matter?
Nothing. Have you ever gone really mad in a doctor's surgery?
Yeah, I do it all the time.
And me, it's great, isn't it? Here, what I like to do, right? What I like to do is I wait till the surgery is really full, and then I drag one of my kids. Your brothers? That's right, yeah, your brothers. I drag one of my kids in, and this is the important bit. I do not make an appointment. I walk straight up to the receptionist and I'll say, I demand that the doctor sees my son now.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I wish I could do that.
You will one day, son.
Yeah, I'm just gonna nip to the loo.
Lou?
Bog.
Hey. That's where all the big knobs hang out.
That's a horrible colour, isn't it?
What, beige? Don't you like beige?
Well, no. Can't stand it.
Doesn't like beige. He's no son of mine.
What are you doing?
Nothing. What are you doing?
Nothing. It's a compulsion, see? I always have to play the banjo on a stroke of midnight.
Oh, no. And me?
What? What do you have to play, you know?
Yeah, well, I always start with Waltzing Matilda.
Me too! Waltzing Matilda! Yeah. I've tried Strangers in the Night, but it's not the same, is it? No. This is probably hereditary, you know? Son?
Yeah, I'm just gonna go and get some fresh air.
What? You like fresh air, do you?
Yeah, I love it.
Fresh air.
Oh, that was a great game of volleyball, Dad.
Yeah, well, I was taught by the nuns, you see. Can't get better training than that. Look, son, I know you're my son, but do you mind if I ask you something, just to make sure?
No, of course not.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Because, I don't know, Dad.
Neither do I! Brilliant! Oh, I'm sorry, son. I never meant to doubt you.
Oh, all right, Dad. I wish I hadn't bought these. They're a bit tight. They didn't have a size 9. I had to make do with a size 8.
9? Take a size 9 shoe.
Yeah, come on.
Size 9, I asked.
Beige.
Fresh air. He's no son of mine.
No mine.
Ditto.
All right, Dad. Well, this is great, isn't it, eh? Boy alone with his fathers, just the 4 of us.
Hang on, just a minute. Listen, look. It's a big thing finding out you've got a son you never thought you had, right? This is a very delicate issue. This has to be handled with sensitivity. Do you want him?
Oh, I've got kids, haven't I? I mean, it'd be different if you're a girl. I mean, I haven't got any girls. You're not a girl, are you?
Dad.
No, no. My place is too small. It's tiny. It's not room for both of us.
Build an extension or something?
No, if you'd been smaller, you know, if you'd been a hamster or something. And... You're not a hamster, are you?
Dad?
Well, I'm all right just at the moment, you see. Apart from the gardening, I could do with a nice bag of peat. You're not a bag of peat, are you? No, right.
What are you doing, Dad?
It's for the best, son.
Oh, Dad!
Police, please.
Well, come on, Dad! Stop him, Dad!
They'll be here in 37 seconds.
Oh, this is great, isn't it, eh? I mean, the boy finds his father after all this time. Look how he's treated. Will you come and see me?
We'd have to be reimbursed.
Yeah, we want travelling expenses.
Yeah, an overnight accommodation dependent on the location of your remand centre.
I better leave it then. I haven't got that much money.
¡Nadie se mueve! ¡Manos arriba! ¡Todo el mundo tranquilo! Ahora vamos a ver cuál de esos pendejos será el burbujar. ¡Tú, barbudo! Entonces será tú, vikingo. Pues tiene que ser tú, pendejo. Me cago en Dios. Pues ¿dónde está el burglar, por favor? ¿Te gusta nadar?
Oh, sí.
Vamos, pendejo. Me cago en la leche de la puta madre que te parió. ¿Qué es eso?
Piece of the Eiffel Tower. My mum gave it to me. She said, whoever's got the rest of that, he's my dad.
No, you do
Hijo mío!
Right, Dad?
Yeah.
Adiós, muchachos.
Well, what are we going to do?
Well, I think we should sit here, very quietly, until it's time to go home.
That's the night we met. There was magic abroad.